SIRS. SIRS. What is SIRS? How does SIRS actually progress to septic shock? Today's video is going to be all about that. Before that, if you are new to my channel, myself Dr. Dhruv Baru, neurosurgeon and your PG teacher mentor. Here on our channel we revise daily 2 MCQs in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started with the today's topic. So first question, all of the following are components of SIRS except. Before that, as we usually study, so let's abbreviate. SIRS stands for Systemic Inflammatory Response Syndrome. So it is basically body's defense system or defense response which is exaggerated. And when does this happen? So not only infection but any inflammation, trauma, surgery, any of this can cause SIRS response. So what are the parameters? Now we all know the vitals. What are the vitals? Pulse rate, BP, temperature and respiratory rate. So exception. Which of the vitals is not a component of SIRS? Blood pressure, and that is replaced by total count. So look at this table and you will get what are the components of SIRS. So the answer to this question will be B. Now the option is very smartly placed. Even though respiratory rate more than 20 is actually a component of SIRS, but PaCO2 should be less than 32 and not 35. So this is an example of a very smartly placed question. Now how does SIRS actually progress to septic shock? So as I said, SIRS can be seen not only in infection but trauma and surgery. So let's see the steps of septic shock. So SIRS with a documented infection is sepsis. Sepsis, if it becomes severe, how severe? That is persistent hypotension or lactate more than 4 or end organ damage, that is severe sepsis. And any severe sepsis, if it fails to respond to your treatment, it is septic shock. So second question. So if you see this scenario, the patient is into septic shock. Now we all know. So how do we manage? Now septic shock is also a warm shock, and how does it become warm? Peripheral vasodilation. So it is also known as vasodilatory shock. So the first line of response should have been what? It is not vasopressor. The first line of treatment has to be always fluids at the rate of 30 ml per kg. The second line of treatment is vasopressors. So again a very smartly placed question, but now we know how to deal with it. So this is brings to the end of the video. If there is any question related to sepsis or SIRS which you are not able to solve, please do mention in the comment section or DM me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.